What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode we have yet again another mail call video. This is from Naztalgic. You all know him as Nas. If you haven't checked him out, I'll definitely put his link down in the description box below. Check out his channel as well as his Instagram. But him and I worked out a trade. I actually gave up my Boss 302 from the Fast and the Furious set out of my premiums for what is in this box. Now, I did throw him some extras, that way he can use them for customs. He does a lot of bare metal customs. Hopefully he uses those, because I definitely want to see what he can do with them. But we're gonna go ahead and open up this box to show you what I traded for. Let's see what is in the box. Oh, nice. I really love it. Back to the Future, one of my favorite all-time movies ever. So he says, Jason, thank you for the good trade. I hope these Mustangs are a good addition to your Mustang hoarding problem. The extras are just to thank you for your service and to spread positivity in this diecast community. The custom is just a minimalist custom. Wheel swap, painted interior, and painted front and side skirts. Nice. If you have the original mainline, compare the two. The best way to see the changes. Nice. Quest for positivity continues. Nas from Naztalgic. Check this out. Gotta love the Back to the Future stuff. This is freaking sweet. There's his Instagram in case you guys want to check him out, which you definitely should. Look at that. Love Back to the Future. Awesome. Look at that clearance. We're gonna go ahead and put the clearance over here where the supers are. Nah, but that is sweet, dude. All right, let's see. Look at this packaging, so bougie. Look at this, my man going fancy with the wrapping right here. Right, uh-oh. Look at that. The old Back to the Future DeLorean. Nice, and I have this originally carded, hidden right up there. Look at that, guys. Boom. Awesome. Favorite movie of all time, or favorite trilogy of all time.
Whoa, this is heavy. There's that word again, heavy. Why are things so heavy in the future? Is there a problem with the Earth's gravitational pull?
If you guys agree, comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what my man put in here. Now, I know I traded for some Zamacs, and I can't wait to show you guys because I really wanted these in the collection. And he wrapped this nicely. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at those. Woo. All right, guys, here's the custom 18 Formula Drift. I absolutely love this casting. It's very nice, but look at that. You got the really clean 10-spoke wheel swap. I love those wheels. When I seen him put this on his video, I was like, man, those 10 spokes look so nice. Look at that. He painted the front splitter red, which I think looks way better. Okay, so if you guys want to compare, where's the new one? Where is the new Formula Drift? All right, let's go ahead and showcase the differences. That way you guys can see the Nas's custom work. Now, I definitely agree. I think the 10 spokes in white all the way around look way better than that staggered mixed match set right there. I know that's the drift look. You have the drift tire set in the back and all that. I get that, but look how fresh and clean that looks. He even did the red interior. That is nice versus the charcoal or black. So you got the red interior, the white 10 spokes. You even have the slight black detail right there on that side skirt versus this one where it's all red. He added the black touches on all of them, really. Then you come around the front, you have the red splitter, which looks really nice versus the black. This looks really good. Just the subtle differences, guys, can make and break a cast. I love that red interior, though. And what did he call this? The minimalist custom. I definitely like that, but I love this variation. I like this way better than the main line. What do you guys think? I think the 10 spokes and the matching splitter and the red interior just makes this look a million times better. Look at that. Nas, I definitely appreciate you throwing in this custom. So you already know that this bad boy is going to sit right up here. Oh, that is way better. Nice. Alright guys, so these are the cars I traded for. You got the Zamac 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. Look at that tampo work. You got the red and white stripes, chrome 5 spokes all the way around, and you have the 302 badging in there. Look at this. So this has the 5-liter in it, which is definitely pretty sweet. It's number 9 of 2014. So if you want to look at the mainline variation of the 302, it is this green one right here. You can see it's the same tampo, same deco, everything on there. 302, and look at this. The Zamac looks way cooler. Even though that green is nice, definitely love the Zamacs. And then you have right here the 67 Custom Mustang, which is absolutely freaking sweet. And I think I have this color variation as well. I do not. I was thinking of that one, but that's the coupe. So there we go. We got the Zamac with the 67 meatball on the side. You got the Ford Champion Racing. You got the nice blue stripes. I love the blue on top of the Zamac. Then you have the red striping right on the lower rocker panel with the chrome 5 spokes all the way around. So this is gonna have to go in there some way, somehow. So definitely love that one. This is number 13 out of 2014. Next one is the one I was really wanting. It's the Zamac of the 65 2+2. You guys know I love the 2+2 fastback. Look at that, you got the purple interior, black and purple deco with the Detroit speed right there on the side. And it does have the black MC5s with the chrome ring, but look at this. Now I have the other two variations right here. You have it in yellow enamel and then white enamel. And look at that, you got the same graphics as the white, the black and purple. So there we go, 65 2+2 Zamac. I know King Nut's really gonna want this because he's also a huge fan of the 2+2. Next one is the Mach 1. Now, when I said I needed this from him, I didn't realize that I had the silver one already. If you don't remember, I already opened up a silver one from here. So now I have 3, meaning that this one is going to be a custom. So I have 1 loose, 1 carded, and this one will be a custom. And then last but definitely not least, you have the 68 Mustang. This one has the opening hood. You have the blue tinted glass, and of course you have the old 70s little hippie theme going on there. It says United Groove, red, white, and blue flag with the peace sign logo on there. Have the same tampos and deco on the hood. But this is out of the Hippie Mobile series. Look at that, collector number 89 out of 2001. Definitely did not have this one and I needed it, so I'm glad I was able to get this in the trade. So when I originally wanted to do the trade, I actually just wanted 3 of them. I thought that was fair, but since he threw in the extras as well as that super clean basic custom, which I definitely like, I think this is awesome. I was willing to give up the premium to get these because I like these older cars, especially like these. You can't really find these that often. Even when I go to the cubby hole that has a lot of cars, their Zamacs in Mustangs are very, very small. So definitely wanted to get rid of the premium for these. And then now that I have a third one, I'm gonna use a custom for that. And yeah guys, cannot forget the legendary DeLorean DMC-12 from Back to the Future. Look at this thing. I'm glad he sent this because I found that one originally back in 2011. And I never found another one again, so I'm stoked to have this one loose. Nas, I appreciate you. Hopefully you get your package soon. I've been tracking it. It's supposed to have been there yesterday, so it's running a little late. Hopefully he gets it sometime. Well, they don't deliver on Sundays, but maybe Monday morning, hopefully. Let me know when you get that, Nas. I definitely can't wait for you to get it. Thanks again for the trade. I thought this was an awesome package. You guys let me know which one of these was your favorite variation. The 2+2 is definitely my favorite one, and then following the 67. I love this body style. I love the coupe. It just looks really good and beefy. So definitely excited to have these in the collection. Now I gotta reorganize this yet again, but it's all good. I'm throwing in some awesome ones in there. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Hopefully you have a great rest of the day, rest of the week. Continue hunting, be safe, and of course, stay tuned to my next upload. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.